first, let's in the meantime also talk about what Rahul Gandhi is now up to, because he is now expected to skip a visit to Ayodhya. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence is expected to visit Ayodhya, and Rahul Gandhi is part of the panel. However, we are learning that he is likely to skip this visit. The Congress says that he has every right to do so, as this is not an official visit. But the BJP, meanwhile, citing this question on Rahul Gandhi's secular credentials. Well, Arpita, you know, when we talk about these developments that are now taking place, Rahul Gandhi hasn't been visiting Ayodhya ever since when it comes to, invitations that were expended. It's been 2 years ever since the Pran Pratishtha has also happened. And this one issue of top leaders of the opposition avoiding Ayodhya visit has been a contentious one. Arpita? All right, but those are the updates that we are picking up as far as when we speak of the visit now of Rahul Gandhi is concerned. But there is also a Jamaat test that is now coming across as far as Jamaat wanting an Islamic Republic, and the left and the BJP are now demanding Rahul Gandhi to come out and clarify. On this angle, Arpita, if you can give us the details, because compromising with the radicals has something that the BJP in the opposition has raised the issue vociferously. Well, all of these issues that are now being raised as far as on part of the BJP as well, as far as Rahul Gandhi skipping his visit to Ayodhya is concerned, and the Congress party's tie-up. Now, this something is where the BJP has now been raising the questions and have been asking for clarification as far as is Jamaat's Islamic Republic the goal, and is the Congress party now backing that very goal? This seems to be when it comes to a talking point as far as the fresh controversy that has erupted in Kerala, with the BJP and the left now gunning for Rahul Gandhi after Jamaat's Islamic Republic goal came to fore. And is the Congress actually standing with its secular credentials and is against communal forces? Because as far as when it comes to all of these developments that have been taking place, the question that has now arisen is left government also not taking up the issue, and as far as when it comes to the BJP there, will it act as far as it leads the central government?